As summer approaches, countries continue to lower the barrier of entry for travelers. Last Friday, the Canadian government announced changes to its COVID-19 policy taking effect today. The two most important changes apply to vaccinated adults and unvaccinated children. Fully vaccinated travelers are no longer required to make a quarantine plan in the event they test positive while in Canada. Also, children under 11 can skip the pre-arrival COVID test as long as they are accompanied by fully vaccinated adults. Here's what traveling to Canada looks like today. Everyone who enters Canada must still download the ArriveCAN app and complete the questionnaire within 72 hours of arrival. Vaccinated travelers must upload proof of vaccination to the app in advance of arrival. Travelers should know that mask wearing remains commonplace in many indoor places in Canada. The country's federal mask mandate is still in place on planes, trains, subways and other public transportation. This kind of requirement requires ongoing evaluation, Chief Public Health Officer Dr. Theresa Tam said at a news conference last week. I think it's one of the least intrusive measures but adds definitely another layer of protection. As in the U.S., each Canadian province and city has its own rules about mask wearing, and many provinces still have mandates in place. In Quebec, for example, the mask mandate for public transportation and indoor settings has been extended until mid-May, while Ontario has extended its mandate until mid-June. Travelers are considered fully vaccinated when they have received at least 2 doses of an accepted COVID-19 vaccine. Fully vaccinated travelers may be selected at random to take a COVID-19 molecular test upon arrival but are not required to quarantine while awaiting their test result. This randomized testing is limited to 4 major international airports: Vancouver, Calgary, Toronto, and Montreal. To avoid being selected for mandatory random testing, travelers who have recovered from COVID-19 can provide proof of a positive molecular test result taken no more than 180 days, about 6 months, prior to entering Canada.